welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are staying safe. Merry Christmas in advance to my lovely fans, my friends, my subscribers, my family all over the world. I want to say congratulations for seeing the last month of 2020. This year has been a tough one. This year has been a tough year. I don't think I've experienced such a year in my life before. 2020 is the worst year that some of us have experienced, okay? And I want to say thank you, Jesus, for all of you, for all of us, for seeing this day and for seeing this month. COVID-19 have taken so many lives in this 2020, but we are still here. We are still staying safe. We are still strong. We are still healthy. So it's the grace of God that has been keeping us. And I want to use this opportunity to say thank you, Jesus, for our lives. So in today's video, it's going to be a quick one. I don't want to waste too much of your time. I got some things that I'll be showing you that I got. I got some shoes and some few clothes during the Black Friday stuff. So I just went there and picked a little stuff that I feel I need. And I'll also be telling all my fans, all of you, what I need, what I wish to have, okay? All the things that I wish to have. Should I start to tell you guys what I wish to have first, or should I unbox what I got for myself during the Black Friday? I think I'll start unboxing the things that I got first. So the first thing that I got is this Christmas leggings. As you can see, it's written all over it. Merry Xmas. Merry Xmas. I don't know if you can see it. I just love the texture. It's made with wool. It's very cool and stretchy. I love the length. It has something like band at the down of the leggings, and it fits so well. It's a high waist leggings. I just love how thick it is. You can wear it during the winter. That's why they made it for Christmas, because Christmas is winter time. It's freezing cold this period in Germany. So this is the first thing I got, and I love it. I love it so much. So what do you think about this white and black leggings? What do you think? So stretchy, as you can see the length. You know, I'm a tall girl and I normally look for the length when I'm getting things, okay? So this is the first thing that I got, and I so much, in fact, I'm so happy getting this stuff. So this is it. I don't think I got this. It's sold, normally it's sold for 15 euro, but I think I got this for 10 euro, something like that. I got it for 10 euro. So let me keep this aside. I got some two t-shirts. I got this plain red t-shirt that you can use to style whatever. Is it t-shirt? Is it called t-shirt or polo? Is it polo or t-shirt? Anyone, please. I got this red. I don't think I have something like this plain red top, plain red clothes. I don't think I have. So I will be rocking this with my high waist trouser and some jackets, okay? Yeah, so I got this for, they didn't reduce this one. I got this for 7 euro. And I also picked the same thing, the black of it, the same, okay? Like that other one, I just picked the black, plain black. I just picked this, so that's for that. I also got these leggings, like, oh God, I don't think I have something like this. This leggings is so cool, like so stretchy. I just love it. I love the way it fits. It fits me perfectly. It's a high-waisted leggings that you can use to wear any top of your choice. You can use to wear those long t-shirts top, and also long polo top. You can even use to wear your pullover and the rest of them. So it's so cool, like so beautiful. I love the way it stretch and the way it feels. Like anything that will make me comfortable, that's what I love wearing. Okay, I love being comfortable, so this is just one of them. This is one of them. I can wear this all day, okay, without feeling uncomfortable or too tight. So this is my go-to. I love it. What I got, I love it. So the next thing that I got is this pajamas. I got this Christmas vibe pajamas. It's up and down stuff. Okay, this is the up. This is the, it's a long sleeve, and it has trouser. It's a trouser pajamas. Okay, this I just love it because of the pockets. Because when I wear my pajamas, I love putting my hand in my pocket. I don't know why. So any pajamas that don't have pocket, no, I don't like it. So yes, I got this vibe. I got this Christmas pajamas. To spice it up during the Christmas time. Hey, I will not wear it till Christmas Day. I will wear this one on Christmas Day. Let me do shakara for my hobby. Okay, what do you think about this, my pajamas? I hope it's fine. I got this, you know, it's cold. You cannot get those sexy one that you can wear inside the house. Like even inside the house is cold, so you have to wear something that will cover up your body. Like as it's long sleeve now, it's so cool. I just love the texture and the print. It's wool, is cool. Okay, it's cool in the hand. I think this is sold for, I think I've forgotten. I think it's sold for, the normal price is supposed to be 20 something euro, but I got it lesser than that. If I discover that, I will look for the receipt and then I will put it on the screen how much I really got this pajamas. So this is, that is for that, for the pajama stuff. Let me not be hyping it too much. So I got, the next thing I got is this shoe. Like I don't know how to explain. I just love the way it is. I love this shoe so much. Just look at that. Look at how beautiful this print is. I think this is navy blue. No, army green. Sorry, army green. Yes, this is army green shoe. I just like the way it is. I have the red. I have something like this, the red, but it's different from this one. Is so this one, the normal price is 90, sorry, the normal price is supposed to be, I don't know if you guys have seen it, the normal price is supposed to be 59 euro, but I got it for 20 euro, like 59 euro. Let me just 59 euro 99 cents. I got it for 20 euro. Like, oh my G. I don't know. Black Friday. I love Black Friday. This is what I got there. Yes. Oh my God. I got this. The other one I got, the exactly almost like this. It's a red color. I got it for the same price. They did not reduce it. So when I saw this and they reduced it to 20 euro, like I used two hands to grab it. Although I don't have this color dress, I don't know what I can fit with this, but definitely I'm going to look for something, maybe like a handbag that I can fit with this, so that when I'm wearing a plain dress, I can wear this with and carry the handbag and it will just go. What do you feel about, what do you think about this, my shoe? I hope it's beautiful. Comment it on the comment section below. Let's see how it goes. But I love it. So guys, the next stuff that I got is this. Oh my G. I got this shoe from Iceman. Is it Iceman or Iceman? I got it for Iceman and I have to order it, okay? I went to the shop to get this particular shoe because it's close to my house. You just go there and get whatever you like. Like I said before, I've not ordered anything online before. I don't even know how to do it. Let me not lie. So when I got there, I asked them for this particular shoe, but they don't have this in my side, so I have to order it. First time that I ordered shoe online. So I'll be unboxing it for you guys. Let's unbox it. I think I need. I'll be unboxing it. I think this is the. I think the receipt, what they used to ship it also. I'm not with scissors, I think. Like, oh my G, I love this. Like, oh, I don't know how to explain how I so much appreciate me getting myself this shoe. Thank you myself for getting myself this shoe, and thank you hubby for providing the money. Thank you hubby for the money. This shoe looks so cute. Like, I'm imagining myself wearing this shoe, like the kind of dress that will dress with this shoe. Look at how shiny it is. It's a watercolor. What is it? Watercolor. Hey, it's a low one. What they used to call this kind of leather? This water leather. Is it water leather? I don't know. Let me not go and disgrace myself online. Na shoe and a black color. So I just love it. It comes with another lace. You can, with a black plain lace, you can unlace this one, take it off, and lace with this black plain lace. If you want to dress that any other clothes that this will not follow, you can just change the lace and use this one. So that's the reason why I love this, because when I saw it, I saw that they put this extra lace. So like, this is so cute. Like, this is so cute. This is beautiful. I love it. So what do you think about this, my shoe? I hope you love it too. I hope you guys love this shoe too. I so much love this shoe. And it's sold for, I think I got it for the normal price. The normal price is supposed to be 38 euro. So they have to do it 50 percent discount that I got this shoe. The normal price is supposed to be 38 euro. I got it for 17 euro something. Okay, 17 euro, 18 euro something. So yes, this is what I got, and I'm so happy getting this stuff. So here comes to the end of this video, and let me say my wish that I want to have in this Xmas. I wish to have a laptop. Like, for ages now, I've been longing to have my own laptop. So I wish to have a laptop. I wish to have a ring light. Okay, I need a ring light because there's no more sun, and I cannot film a sitting down video without being close to the window, or without filming in the daytime. And I need sun to be able to film. Without the sun, my video will be so dark and I could not film the video, and I cannot film the video very well, or you cannot see my beautiful face very well. The background will be so dark. So I need a ring light. Okay, I need a ring light. So if you can get a ring light for me, oh, I would so much appreciate you. I also need a mic, okay, a wireless mic that I can be using to film my videos. Even if I'm outside, you can hear me very well, because as I'm filming now, I'm trying to be loud in order for you to be hearing everything that I'm saying. But when I'm with my mic, I can just be funneling my English, I'll be funneling it small, and you guys will understand. I will just be saying it small, and you guys will understand. I don't need to shout before you hear me. But you can see now I'm shouting, and I don't need much. Okay, I don't need much. I already have phones. What do I need for Christmas again? No, what do I need for Christmas again? Okay, that's the only thing I need. I don't need too much. Okay, I don't need too much for this Xmas. That's the only thing I need for this Xmas. So next year January I will come and tell you guys what I need for the year 2021, because the year 2021 oga Diego, oga Dikpokpo, like oga Diego. If you don't know what is oga Diego, ask your neighbor. Okay, this is the ending of this video. I hope you guys enjoy me. I hope you guys enjoy this lively lady that you are seeing here. And if you enjoy this video and you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please press on the subscribe button. Are we quarreling? We are friends now. Press on the subscribe button and also like this video and share to your loved ones. And I will see you in my next video. Don't forget, I love you. Stay safe and stay blessed. Mwah! Bye.